Troubleshooting your desktop, a guide to motherboard capacitors. Is your desktop acting up unexpectedly? One often overlooked issue could be faulty motherboard capacitors. These small but crucial components play a significant role in your computer's performance. Our guide helps you identify symptoms like bulging capacitors that might signal problems. Learn how to safely replace damaged capacitors. We provide expert tips to ensure you choose the right replacement parts, focusing on quality and compatibility. This step is vital for restoring your computer's functioning. Keep your computer running smoothly by following our maintenance advice. Equipped with the right tools and techniques, you'll be prepared to handle any issues efficiently. Ready to tackle your motherboard challenges? Visit Solutex for the complete guide.